Do you want to win $5,000 playing Words free? It's so much fun and free. Win cash prizes and rewards with your friends. This app is especially for those who want to win more money. You can also make money anytime by inviting your friends and family. The more people you invite, the more money you'll get. The best part is you get paid in cash. Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Do you like playing word games? This is a free app, so why not give it a try? It is called Words to Win. Words to Win is a word game app where you can win real cash by playing your favorite word puzzles. You can download and install Word to Win app from Google Play or App Store. You will get a bonus of 500 gold when you sign in. To earn, simply unlock the hidden words by connecting the letters in the appropriate order. It's really straightforward in the beginning when you have just 3 letters to play with. After a level, they add a letter to make it harder. After each stage, they'll give you a scratch card to win up to $250. Match 3 identical things to win. The app offers instant win scratches where you can win $2,500 in real cash instantly. Also, it has daily and monthly sweepstakes where winners can take home $5,000. Win cash on our bonus prize wheel. Keep spinning for even more chances of increased rewards and in-game items. In addition, for every person you refer who downloads Words to Win for the first time, you'll receive a scratcher worth $1,000. You can cash out via PayPal, Visa, gift cards, and in-game currencies once you hit $7. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.